May magawa na sila dito na. Ay mga 21 guns sa loob. Puto sa iyo bangko ata utupet ang bangkang ay manok ay bangko kikik pa ako nakikik
The next to the wreath is the descendants of Brigadier General Ola, Miss Edna Ola Palayan.
And our next offerer is the descendant of Brigadier General Simeon Ola, Miss Edna Ola Palayan.
Please be reminded that the photo opportunity will be done after the wreath laying ceremony. Please be guided by the Brigade.
The next offerer is the Governor by the Honorable Edsel Greco Alexander Bilagman. He will be accompanied by the provincial government of Albay department heads and representatives. With him is Miss Sorority F. Olye of the Provincial Tourism.
Engineer Dante Baclao, Provincial Engineer.
Dr. Estela B. Senate, Provincial Health Officer.
Miss Sharon O'Rourke, Provincial
Honorable Victor Vilsigan Jr.
For the 2nd District of Albay, board members, Honorable Vicente B. Baltasar, to serve. Honorable Melissa Abanesa Arbodela.
For the
And
3rd District
Honorable Raul Irosan.
For the 3rd District of Albay board members, we have Honorable Jesus S. Salceda Jr., Honorable Gerardo Palmiano, Honorable Dante R. Arandia, and Honorable Eva Josephine L. Ribaya. Next to offer a floral wreath is the Honorable Representative of the 1st District of Albay, Honorable Edsel C. Lagman.
Next to offer is the representative from 2nd District of Albay, Honorable Joey Sarte Salceda.
Honorable Fernando T. Cabredo, 3rd District of Albay Representative.
Honorable Alfred de los Santos, representative ang Provincial Party List.
Honorable Elizalde Esco, Representative ako Bicol Party List.
Honorable Raul Angelo Bongalon, representative from ang Bicol Party List.
Honorable Raymond Adrian E. Salceda and the members of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines Albay Chapter.
Honorable Carvin G. Baldo, Daraga Municipal Mayor.
The Municipal Mayor of Camalig Albay, Honorable Carlos Erwin G. Baldo Jr.
The Municipal Mayor of Manito, Honorable Rebecca Dayap Chen.
The Municipal Mayor of Rapu-Rapu Albay, Honorable Ronald A. Galicia.
Municipal Mayor of Tui, Honorable Jaime Villanueva.
Municipal Mayor of Santo Domingo Albay, Honorable Joselin B. Aguas Jr.
Malilipok Municipal Mayor, Honorable Sinan V. Volante.
Municipal Mayor of Malinao Albay, Honorable Cheryl C. Bilo.
Municipal Mayor of Bacacay, Honorable Armando B. Romano.
Municipal Mayor of Bawas Albay, Honorable Domingo R. Escoto Jr.
Municipal Mayor of Libon, Honorable Wilfredo B. Coronilla.
The Municipal Mayor of Buturan Albay, Honorable Alan R. Arandia.
Municipal Mayor of Villar, Honorable Joran L. Arcangel, represented by Executive Director Joseph P. L. Avincola.
Next to offer a floral wreath is the Honorable Mayor of the City of Ligao, Honorable Fernando Vallejo Gonzalez, and the members of the League of Cities of the Philippines Albay Chapter.
Legazpi City Mayor, Honorable Carmen Geraldine B. Rosal, represented by Carlos Ante.
The City Mayor of Tabaco, Honorable Crisel Shelo Legman Luistro.
Next to offer is Honorable MacGregor C. Saison and the members of the Vice Mayor's League of the Philippines Albay Chapter.
The Vice Mayor of Legazpi City, Honorable Oscar Robert H. Cristobal.
Honorable Jerry Rafael Z. Haushan Jr., Daraga Municipal Vice Mayor.
The Vice Mayor of Camalig Albay, Honorable Maria Arzail Go Baldo.
Manito Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Carlito J. Beludo.
The Vice Mayor of Mapurapu Albay, Honorable Romel A. Galicia.
Tiwi Municipal Vice Mayor Honorable Jose Morel C. Climaco.
The Vice Mayor of Santo Domingo Albay, Honorable Mark B. Aguas.
Tabaco City Vice Mayor Honorable Nestor P. San Pablo.
The Vice Mayor of Malinao Albay, Honorable Abner E. Cargulio.
Bakakay Municipal Vice Mayor Honorable Edsel B. Villeza.
The Vice Mayor of Ligao City, Honorable J.B.M. David.
Vice Mayor of OWAS Honorable Hector R. Ranola.
The Vice Mayor of Pulangi Albay, Honorable Jerry Melia Sampal.
Theodore Municipal Vice Mayor Honorable Marvin Thomas Quiroz.
And the Vice Mayor of Jubilar Albay, Honorable Cesar C. Arellano.
Next to offer is Honorable Juan Miguel R. Salceda and the members of the Philippine Councilors League Albay Chapter.
We also have here the Honorable Dennis L. Misolani and the members of the Association of Barangay Captains Albay Chapter.
Next to offer is Honorable Jesus M. Go and the members of Sangguniang Kabataan Federation of Albay.
For the Wreath offer of the 9th Infantry Spare Division, Philippine Army, we have Major General Adonis Arbao, Philippine Army. For the Philippine National Police, Police Regional Office 5, we have Police Brigadier General Westrimundo Damantay of Bingen, together with the Provincial Director of Albay Police Provincial Office, Police Colonel Fernando Lacson Ginanan Jr.
For the Tactical Operations Group 5, Colonel Chris B. Abad, Group Commander.
Represented by First Lieutenant James B. Bahiwag.
For the Philippine Coast Guard Commander Philips E. Soria. Represented by Coast Guard Commander Jeffrey R. Calyodo, Deputy Commander Coast Guard District Bicol.
For the Bureau of Fire Protection 5, we have the Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Ricardo C. Perdigon. Together with the Provincial Director, Bureau of Fire Protection Albay, Fire Superintendent Emily N. Doma.
For the Naval Forces, Commodore Joe Anthony C. Orbe. Commander Naval Forces Southern Luzon, Philippine Navy, represented by Captain Edwin M. Nera, Deputy Commander Naval Forces Southern Luzon.
For the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology Regional Office 5, we have Jail Chief Superintendent Joel S. Superficial.
From the Boy Scout of the Philippines, Honorable Noel E. Rosal, Council Chairperson Mayon Council, Boy Scout of the Philippines.
Also the Regional Director of the Department of Tourism, Regional Office 5, Regional Director Herbie B. Aguas, represented by Japa Arela Oliva, the Executive Assistant of Regional Director Herbie Aguas.
From DAR RO5, RD Ruben Theodore C. Sindak, Regional Director of DAR Pro5, represented by Engineer Noli Atuli, Carpo for Operations.
We also have here the Regional Director of the Department of Health, Regional Director Ernie Vera.
For DepEd Region 5, RD Gilbert Sabsab, Regional Director, represented by Dr. Jocelyn D., Chief Education Supervisor, Quality Assurance Division.
We also have here the Regional Director of the Department of Public Works and Highways, Regional Office 5, Regional Director Virgilio Eduardo, represented by ARD Marilu N. Acuña.
From the DALG Region 5, Attorney Arnaldo E. Escobar Jr., Regional Director, DILG Region 5.
The DTI Regional Director, RD Dindo G. Nabol.
From the DOJ Region 5, Attorney Mary May B. De Leos, Regional Director.
The Regional Director of the Commission on Higher Education, Attorney Septon A. De La Cruz.
From DepEd Albay Division, SDS Nene Rosal Morioles, Albay School Division Superintendent, DepEd Albay Division.
The LGU Hobilyan will also be offering a floral. Please all stand for the colors. Please all stand for the colors. Thank you. You may now take your seats, sirs and ma'ams. Next in line will be the Ambassadress of the Police Regional Office 5 with the Police Regional Office 5 Band. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all give a round of applause to the lovely ladies of Police Regional Office 5. For the information of everybody, they are all police women. Isn't it amazing that you are watching the police women parading in that attire? Again, they are the Ambassadress from the Police Regional Office 5, together with the PRO 5 Band. Company XO, Police Lieutenant Sindongan, Gidon Bearer, Patrolman Agaraw. First platoon leader, we have Police Lieutenant Tayamora. And Police Captain Alfredo Bolaños. Second platoon leader, Police Lieutenant Meliton.
Approaching is the contingent from Philippine Army.
Company
Commander, Second Lieutenant Chief H. Alikawa, PA. Sergeant Lawrence Strait, Company EXO, PFC Jomar Romayo, Gidon Bearer. Second Lieutenant Joe Rex Colunyak. First platoon leader and second platoon leader is Second Lieutenant Jason Lee. And color bearer is PFC Joel.
Let's also welcome the contingent of the Philippine Air Force, Flight Leader, Second Lieutenant Felicissimo Jose Millado, Philippine Air Force. The contingents from the Philippine Navy, Platoon Leader Ensign Adiva. And the contingents from the Philippine Coast Guard, Company Commander Coast Guard Ensign Marvic Veno, Company XO, Coast Guard Ensign Patrick Villafuerte, Coast Guard Ensign Marco Paulo, Color Officer.
First platoon leader, Coast Guard Ensign Glexler Moraiba.
Second platoon leader, Coast Guard Ensign Jeffrey Casten.
Third platoon leader, Coast Guard Ensign Alfred Nabua.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, the contingent from the Bureau of Fire Protection, headed by Jail Inspector Desmond C. Onsat. And they're together with the Bureau of Fire Protection Band. The marching band is headed by SFO1 Marcus Covelo. Ladies and gentlemen, the contingent from the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Approaching the grandstand is the Drum and Lyre Corps of the Marcial o Ranola Memorial School. A round of applause, please.
Approaching next is the MDRRMO Guinobatan.
Headed by Miss Joy R. Maravillas. Headed by Miss Joy R. Maravillas. Marching now in front of the grandstand is the contingent from the Guinobatan East Central School. Their Drum and Lyre Corps.
coaching is Ambassadress, Civic of 349, Guinobatan chapter, headed by Mr. Gerard Mapili.
We also have here the General Simeon Ola Eagles Club. Representing the Fraternal Order of Eagles, General Ola Eagles Club. We also have here the Reserve Officer Training Corps of Bicol University, Guinobatan.
We have also here the Pi Sigma Fraternity Sorority headed by Lord Excelsius Brian Morta.
Let's also welcome the Alpha Kappa Guinobatan chapter headed by Mr. Jason Garcia. And the Mayon Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated. The Alpha Kappa Guinobatan chapter. Kibongbongan chapter. Again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to the Guinobatan West Central School Drum and Lyre Corps. Now the parade of the static equipment. We have the EOD K9. The EOD K9 groups is mandated to conduct safe disposal of all bombs and neutralization of hazards from chemical, nuclear, and improvised explosive devices that create a threat to public safety. EOD Group is also responsible for effective standardized utilization and development of all K9 units of the PNP, as well as the procurement, inventory, breeding, training, deployment, distribution, and management of all K9 working dogs of the PNP. The Rescue Jack vehicle with SAR equipment. This vehicle is loaded with ERT personnel responsible for search and rescue operations, specialized in search, retrieval, rescue, emergencies, fire, and life support skills. This vehicle is equipped with specialized rescue and emergency response tools and equipment such as rescue saws, hydraulic rescue tools, ropes, first aid kits, cutting tools, power tools, stretchers, life jackets, helmets, flashlights, and battery-operated tools and communication equipment. We also have here the SOCO, or the Special Operating
We have also here the Philippine Coast Guard.
The Toyota Hilux 118 with one team of Coast Guard Special Operations Force. The Philippine Coast Guard Special Operations Force is the Special Forces unit of the Philippine Coast Guard, founded in 1972. They perform underwater operations and domestic counter-terrorism and other law enforcement operations. operational support force of the Bureau of Fire Protection with different functional units, namely
the Search and Rescue Unit, the K9 Unit, Maritime Fire Unit, Aviation Unit, Paramedic Unit, and Hazmat Unit.
it is the BFP's forefront in terms of responding to technical rescue, be it man-made or natural emergency and disaster involving urban search and rescue, mountain search and rescue, collapsed structure, hazardous materials or chemical, biological, radiological and nuclear, and water search, rescue, and retrieval operations. Followed by the TOR Rescue Truck. Conveying the rope rescue team, an expert is high and low angle operations that requires rope and related equipment to safely gain access to and remove patients from hazardous location with limited access such as mountainous or high-rise building. Followed by the Optimus transport vehicle conveying the BFP K9 Search and Rescue. The Bureau of Fire Protection K9 Search Unit and Rescue Unit has 21 highly trained dogs capable to detect human scent like searching people lost in the wilderness or missing in the aftermath of natural or man-made disasters, such as those trapped in the rubbles of a collapsed buildings. Lastly, the Kadasig transport vehicle, conveying the rubber boat with outboard motor with a team experts in conducting water search and rescue and retrieval operations. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Bureau of Fire Protection Special Rescue Force. Also, the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology transport vehicle. The Guinobatan MDRRMO Emergency Rescue Vehicle. The Guinobatan Albay Volunteers Firefighters. The Kabalikat Civicom 349 Guinobatan Chapter. Approaching also on the stage, approaching also is the rescue ambulance of the MDRRMO Guinobatan. And the man truck of Police Regional Office 5. So before we finally conclude this activity, we would like to express our deepest gratitude for the wholehearted support, participation, and involvement of
Governor Edsel Greco Alexandre B. Lagman, the Provincial Government of Albay,
the City and Municipal Mayors of Albay,
the Regional and Provincial Director of National Agencies,
the Armed Forces of the Philippines,
the public and private schools, college, and universities of Guinobatan, Albay,
and the Philippine National Police, headed by our Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Westrimundo D.O. Pinque, with our Provincial Director, Police Colonel Fernando Lacson Cunanan Jr. And that finally concludes our activity this morning. This has been your host, Police Captain Karen Ranola Formales,
PMSG Eric Pariang,
saying, Diyos babalos po sa Indogabos.